Bronchial, bronchovesicular, and vesicular sound. These are the types of normal lung sound or breath sound. There are some special characteristics of all these sounds. If we take example of bronchial sound, this is high-pitched loud sound and can be heard during both inspiration and expiration phase. There is some special characteristics to distinguish it from the other sounds, like there is a pause between inspiration and expiration during bronchial sound. This can be heard over the manubrium as well as over the trachea. If it is heard over the trachea, then it is specially known as tracheal sound. For the characteristics of bronchovesicular and vesicular sound, follow Physio Health Talk.